Hey everyone! Today, I'm talking about something super important, creating a sober-friendly home environment for families. Whether you're supporting a loved one or you're in recovery yourself, your home can play a huge role in maintaining sobriety. Let's dive into some practical tips. First, remove temptation. Clear out any alcohol or substances from your home. Replace them with healthier alternatives like sparkling water or herbal teas. This simple step can make a big difference. Next, create safe spaces. Designate areas in your home for relaxation and mindfulness. Think comfy chairs, soft lighting, and maybe some calming music. These zones can be a refuge during tough times. Also, set clear boundaries. Communicate openly with family members about your needs and expectations. This could mean setting rules about not bringing alcohol into the house or not discussing triggering topics during meals. Then, build a supportive routine. Consistency is key. Plan family activities that don't involve substances. Go for walks, play board games, or cook healthy meals together. These activities can strengthen your bond and keep everyone engaged. Don't forget self-care. Encourage everyone to take time for themselves. Whether it's reading a book, meditating, or taking a bath, self-care helps manage stress and prevents burnout. Finally, stay connected. Keep in touch with support groups, therapists, or sober friends. Having a network outside your home can offer additional support and motivation. Remember, creating a sober-friendly home is all about making thoughtful choices that promote a healthy and supportive environment. Thanks for watching, and stay strong on your journey. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living a sober life. See you next time.